Hi, my name is Jacob Janes. Today is the 2nd of March 2026. I'm over here at my house in Akasha Gauteng, where many entities are committing baby-like educational malpractice and crimes again. I just want to take a quick video recording of a flash floodlight which has been placed on for more than 48, 72, more than 100 hours. So during the time when this flash floodlight was shining into the front yard at my house in Akasha Gauteng, it was doing irreparable brain damage, also disturbing my psychology, so that people can fry me until they can frame up me for attempted murder, like what happened in the film Who Framed Roger Rabbit, and it was also damaging my kidney. And there's nobody even in the Nova region of Pretoria Gauteng that wants to provide me with any pain relief because there's too much educational malpractice and crimes being committed at my house in Akasha Gauteng. This floodlight was also misused in order to steal my Absa bank account, African bank account, Mercantile bank account, and also my Ackermans account. It was also stealing all of my technologies, insurance policies as well, and it was just shining in order to allow everyone in the Nova region of Pretoria Gauteng, South Africa, to steal, digitally smuggle, and electronically pirate my Infinite Selective Muteness, my Infinite Silent Witness program, and also my Infinite Silent Study Zone. Now this floodlight is specifically designed to be a security guard against me for having a silent study zone. So this thing is specifically used in order to guard me against my silent study zone. It's also used to kill me. It's also used to lay me to death. And specifically this thing that is used in order to change me into a submissive baby, because everybody was rapidity addicted and dependent upon displacing their aggression society felt for them onto me the whole time, that type of aggression. So for that reason, I can't actually go outside anymore, only past 10 a.m. in order to do legal stuff, environmental stuff and things like that, to protect my rabbits. These rabbits can't be taken outside anymore before 10 a.m. in order to do physical rehabs, because I have too many ultra criminals and I have too many black people willing not to physically fight for me all the time. There's too much educational malpracticing crimes being committed at my house in Akasha Gauteng, which people state is their legitimate right. But I just want to show you this thing. Now, everyone in the Nova region of Pretoria Gauteng don't have the innovations or don't want to even place an effort to switch it off. That means for the last 4 days I was sitting here being fried. My rabbits' temperatures are not fluctuating from cold to warmness, and that is again the temperature regulation formula is then again another educational malpracticing reason for people to recreate my house in Akasha Gauteng into an educational malpracticing house, because they state if the temperature changes makes me too aggressive or them too aggressive, because they can't have their say. And that's what we are sitting with. People who are misusing a flash floodlight in order to protect themselves after they stole my silent study zone, and in every little noise or movement or scratch that I make that is not a thing, people say that's not murder, that's not you attempting to murder me. It's just an assault again on my bank account. So you can see over here, that thing has been left on for the last 4 days straight. So you can see this thing is palpating it is signaling pain the whole time. I have to experience the whole time. So specifically in this case scenario, this is the most important thing of all. If you have a case like this where you don't know the outcome of the rabbits anymore, specifically in the mornings, and while a person is staying to so many dumb people like these ones who like to commit educational practicing crimes, do a lot of family inbreed moaning, don't know how to take reports against them at all, but to commit educational malpracticing crimes against an entity like me. stealing my bank account, stealing my sugar resources, neglecting and abandoning me without sugar resources, taking it as a joke, just sitting over here, doing nothing again but committing educational malpractice and crimes. And that's a crime. So what this thing is used for, this floodlight, is to make family members of mine smarter. Who's staying at that side of my house on the Pasha. You can obviously see over there. That thing is being misused by them in order to make them smarter the whole time. It's a basis thing where the pain is unreal. A person has to experience unreal pain because other entities like my nephew Gerard Genis is